This topic is to discuss about the process how to make a new law. The power to legislate or to make law is provided by the Constitution under the Article 73 and 74. These two articles divide or separate the power of the Parliament and the state legislative assemblies in making laws for Malaysia. Under Article 73, it provides that Parliament has the power to make laws for the Federation, while the state government has power to make laws for the whole state. And under Article 74, it provides that the division of powers are divided into three lists. One is federal list, state list, and concurrent list. These are the matters which are listed under the federal list. It is only the Parliament who has power to make laws relating to all these matters. The state legislative assemblies has no power to make laws on these matters. As for the matters under the state list, it is only the state legislative assemblies has power to make laws. The Parliament has no right to interrupt on these matters. With regard to the concurrent list, both the Parliament and the state legislative assemblies has power to make laws on these matters. Okay, now we come to the process how the law is made.